Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Indian Trading Friend. Today being a Sunday, most of you are relaxed, most of you are chillax, and you'll be wondering what to do today. So I agree we'll be going through strategies as well and also seeing all the live trading videos which are uploaded on my channel. But then today I just want to give you a small solution. Most of you have accepted this solution from me and you have taken up the solution. But for people who are watching for the first time and who are not aware of this, I just want to give a quick update, a simple solution for all the working professionals. Because my channel, as you all know, is dedicated for working people, and I give better ways, better strategies, better calls, better open trades, all for working people, where you have to spend just 2 minutes. Yeah. Now the problem is still there are few things which has to be done manually and all those things. So I'll just share with you. Those who already accepted the solution can carry forward the video. They can continue the next video. I have uploaded a lot of videos on options trading and all. You can just go through it. But for others, you can just stay tuned. Yeah. As you all know, the problems faced by working people is how do you place trade in just 2 minutes? And because I keep telling 2 minutes, because what they say is, sir, we have to place the order and then we have to place target, then you have to pay stop loss, and then you have to keep waiting when the target is hitting. Once the target is hitting, then you have to close the stop loss, and we have to keep monitoring. All those things are there. Yeah. Second question, what they do is, how do working people trade daily? As I already explained to you. How to place order in one shot, that is entry, exit, target, all those things. And how to trade with less capital. This is also one more question which everybody asks. And how to open trading account online at the comfort of your house, because many people find it difficult, to take all the forms, go take out printout, then do it courier, and then just wait for all the documents to happen, then wait for 1 week to join. So all these are the practical problems which most of them were facing. So then I have already given a solution to them. The solution is Upstox, friends. It is promoted by Major by Ratan Tata as well. That is why we can say it is very trustworthy. You can just go to their website and just go through all the details which they are providing. It's as good as Zerodha. I already referred many of you to this. So who are already taken this, you can just skip this video. But others who are not still taken Upstox, we have a bumper offer today going on for October season. That is the Diwali season. I'll be telling you about it. Yeah, but one thing I want to update is Upstox is very good. You can see most of my videos. I have done online trading on Upstox. I use Zerodha as well, but I prefer Upstox because it's good for working people. I'll tell you the reason also. Major thing is the money is safe. It is promoted by Ratan Tata, GVK and Kalari Capitals, and the customer service is also good. The major advantages are like it's same as Zerodha, 20 rupees per trade. Sorry, per order, or you can call per trade. Even if it is 1 lot or 10 lots, it's just 20 rupees. Many of you who are following full-time brokers like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, or Sharekhan, all those things, they can switch on to this. They just have to spend 20 rupees. Next, there is stop loss limit bracket order. This is something which is very powerful, friends. It is available even in commodities as well as in stocks, equities. Commodities generally in Zerodha, what happens is they don't provide the stop loss limit order, so you can't enter the exact price given. But it's available in crude oil. You just have to, it's available in Upstox, so you can easily place a stop loss order. Next, one more important thing is it's all account opening is all through Aadhaar OTP, or otherwise you can just scan your documents and just upload. It will be done. One more beautiful advantage of this is that you get notifications of the trade executed. Say for example, you have kept 2 orders as my style of trading, that one buy above and one sell below. As soon as the buy triggers, we have to cancel the sell order. So if you're using Zerodha or other platforms, you will not know when the buy is triggered and completed. But in Upstox, what happens is you'll get notification as soon as the buy is triggered and the trade is completed. So then what you can do is immediately you can log into your system, log into your mobile, and then you can immediately close the other trade. So this is also one of the important advantages. Now coming to another very important advantage is that Upstox is providing Dhamaka offer for Diwali. That is, if you use the code OCT750 while opening the promo code, if you use this code, there will be no account opening charges. You can avail it immediately now until it is available till October 31st, and you will be getting 750 rupees brokerages cashback. Okay, so that means that first few trades, whatever you do, is going to be completely free up to you reach the mark of 750 rupees. So 750 divided by 20, you can almost get 320 trades completely free if you join now. within this 2-3 days. The link of the video, link of joining Upstox is provided in the description of this video as well as in my all other videos. You just have to click the link, put your email ID and password, and then enter it, and then upload all the documents, and your program is done. You can use the code OCT750. One more thing which I want to update you is try to open it in your computer or laptop, because since this offer is going on, there's a lot of logins happening and the server is little slow. But just try to first log in off on this particular date by today, tomorrow, using your email ID. And if you're stuck in mobile, then log in using the email ID in laptop. So what you can do is first log in through your mobile, if at all you want to log in mobile, register your email ID in mobile, and then once go to the laptop or computer and then start uploading all the documents if you're stuck up. Okay friends, so thank you. Once again, any other doubts you can always WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Looking forward for tomorrow's trade. We are all in happily waiting for trading tomorrow in our options trade. If you have still not seen the benefit of option trading, just go through my video. In my channels, you'll be getting lots of updates, lots of live trading, and it is best suited for working professionals, friends. So thank you and have a nice day.